Hello guys, welcome back. So if you're new here, I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if you're interested in such kind of content, do stay tuned to my channel. So today in this video, I'm gonna style a leather skirt, and this is a fox leather skirt. Basically, it is very shiny, nice texture. So I'm gonna style it in 4 ways, and without further ado, let's get on to the first way. So for the first look guys, I wore the leather skirt with a tiger print shirt, tiger print, animal print, I don't know how, many people call it different ways. This is one shirt guys which never leaves me, I don't know how to explain it to you. So each year, any given point of time in my life, I have this shirt with me, different shirt but animal print. So if I'm going to a store, I go like this. I'm like, I should not see anything which is having an animal print in it, because it possesses me, and then I have to buy it. It will not let me go out without buying it. So I don't know how to explain it to you. So yeah, this shirt is my current favorite as of now, and it is satin texture. So I was not into this satin texture a couple of years back guys, but this texture or this satin texture, I'm started liking it a lot nowadays. And I have many shirts in this texture as of now in my wardrobe. So yeah, this is one shirt which I'm gonna I have styled in this video. So the reason of choosing this shirt with this skirt is because it is also shiny texture. Anything you wear with leather, right, it has to reflect the shyness. That's what I feel, because if you wear it with a plain t-shirt or a plain shirt, a cotton shirt, it will look disaster. Because leather skirt is something you really need to think a lot about styling, and it is not a simple piece to style. So you cannot just wear a leather skirt with anything and go out. It is not that way. Trust me. So yeah, so this particular first look, I wore the animal print shirt with this leather skirt, and then wear a small accessory in the neck. As I always say guys, if you choose the right accessories, it can make you look a whole lot put together, and it will make you look like, yeah, you have really spent some time in styling yourself. So yeah, I mean, this is about the first look. Very simple, easy to create, but things to keep in mind is mix a shiny texture with a leather skirt, anything, a shiny blouse or a shiny shirt, it will look amazing. So with this thought, second look. So guys, So guys, for the second look, I wore the leather skirt with a bling blouse. It's not completely bling actually, let me be honest. The texture is shiny, and so the shine, right, it is inbuilt in the blouse. So it is not something sequence appended on top of the plain blouse. It's not like that. So this blouse is very appropriate for evening parties, cocktail parties, going to clubs, going to your girls day night out whatever. So yeah, this look is perfect for that. So wear a leather skirt with any bling top you have, any kind of shiny top you have, and that's about it. It will look amazing. So, and yeah, wear a nice pair of earrings. Like for this look, I wore this nice pair of earrings. These earrings are my current favorite also. They are gold and they are having this kind of design, you know, rectangle design. Yeah, and it looks so amazing. See, I'm wearing one right now also. So with this thought, third look. I wore the this leather skirt, and I wore with a organza blouse. See, frankly speaking, I'm not into trends at all. I'm someone who basically believes in building the wardrobe with basics. So you take the pieces and then you invest in nice pieces, textured pieces, because they come a long way. You know, you can style them for years, and when you are bored, you can just replace them. So do not buy cheap or inexpensive pieces, because after some time they'll start showing up either bubbles or you know, the neckline will drop off. I don't know, there will be many problems with the cheap fabric. So invest in nice good kind of fabric and it will go a long way. Yeah, so coming to this organza blouse, this particular blouse is on my nerve right now. I mean, it is a sheer blouse basically, and it is made it is made with silk. So yeah, it is totally transparent, and then I wore it with a cami inside and it was amazing. I don't know, I felt like a fashion star, a celebrity. As soon as I put it, I was like, wow. Yeah, I don't know what you guys feel about it, but I really felt so nice about it. So yeah, mix this kind of shiny fabric again, shiny fabric with your leather skirt, and it will look amazing. So with this thought, look number 4. So guys, for the 4th look, I wore the I wore a long jacket. This jacket is my personal favorite. I bought it couple of years back, but I'm never getting a right occasion to wear it, I mean, I wore it 2-3 times, but not more than that. But whenever I wear this leather skirt, right, I make sure that at least one time I wear it with this, jacket for an evening event if I'm going basically. So this, jacket, it is so nice. It will make you feel so fashionable, so stylish. So if you have this kind of long, jacket with little shiny texture or, structured texture, you can wear it with the leather skirt, that way also. So this jacket particularly, right, it has what to say, structured shoulders. So it has little puffy shoulders, and it is meant to be wear in the open way basically. So it is not going to protect you from cold. I'm sorry. It is just fashionable. So yeah, whenever the weather is changing, right, like from hot to little cold, but it's not totally cold also. So that kind of weather, it is appropriate to wear this jacket and feel fancy about yourself. So I think, yeah, this was the final look of the video, guys, and I hope you like all the looks. That's it. Bad, again I'm ending the video. So before I end this video, like it if you like it, share it, and do subscribe to my channel. I post every Friday. As of now, I'm keeping it. So every Friday I post the new content, and basically let me know if you want me to make a fashion video on a specific stuff. I'll be happy to do that. So stay tuned, guys, stay fashionable, and yeah, before I say bye bye, one tip: anything you wear, right, basically anything, wear it with confidence. So if you wear it with confidence, it will reflect in your personality, it will reflect the way you look, the way you present yourself. So अच्छी लगोगी तो अच्छा होगा. The thing is true actually. I totally believe it. So whatever mess you are going through in your life, right, just look good, feel beautiful about yourself, and I mean, I'll not say that it will help you come out of the situation, but it will help you feel good about yourself. So with this thought,